welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining. It's been a hot minute since I've been here. Well, it's been about 2 weeks. So in today's video, I basically wanted to do a vlog because I am setting up my office slash filming room. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me. Before I continue, if you haven't subscribed already and want to join my little family here on YouTube, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. If you do like this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and it will notify you every single time I upload. So basically, like I said before, in today's video, I am going to be doing my office slash filming room, like cleaning it out and stuff and getting a head start on it. So I wanted to bring you guys along. Also, I have some really exciting news I'm going to be announcing in a couple of weeks, which I think you guys will all love. So definitely stick around for that if you want to know what the update is. I think I've covered about it. That's all I really want to do for the intro. Oh yes, and before I forget, I did get my eyebrows done, so that's why I don't have any makeup on. I feel like the last couple of vlogs I actually haven't had any makeup done, but I promise I'm going to make a bit more of an effort. Once I get my filming room done, then I'll be able to film a lot more content for you guys. But with this new update that I'm going to be telling you in a couple of weeks, there's going to be a lot more content. So that's a bit more of a hint into what the big news is going to be. But that's all I'm going to say for now. But yeah, so if you do want to stick around, then let's get into it. Also, don't mind my hair at the moment. I had a shower this morning and washed my hair, so it's looking like a bit of a fur ball or a fuzz ball, if you know what I mean. But a girl's got to get cleaning, you know what I mean? I'm thinking maybe I should do like my makeup and then do the room. Like, I feel like I might feel a bit better in this vlog if I have my makeup done, and then I'm gonna tackle this office room. It's a bloody hot mess. Okay, I'll take you along. We'll go do my makeup first, and then we will start on the office slash filming room. It's a bit dark in here. Where's my light? Oh, that's not it. Oh, there we go. Might open these blinds. This is like the blinds all shut. Watch how bright it will be when I open this. Oh, ready? Woo! It's so bright. Yes, bitch. So this is what I'm currently looking like right now. Don't mind the background of my room because it's a freaking hot mess. Okay, so I just wanted to like do a bit of makeup because I feel like every single other vlog I've been in, I haven't had any makeup on and I'm not looking the best. So I thought I would just do a bit of makeup for now. But yes, I thought you guys could join me in that. So I'm just gonna put some Maybelline Fit Me. I'm tanned at the moment, so I use 228. I also sometimes mix like the 228, and then as my tan goes a bit lighter, I either use 220 or I just mix a bit of this like whitening ingredient in it, and it just makes it a bit more lighter. I'm not gonna like do my makeup really heavy. I just want to do a bit that I look a bit more presentable in the vlogs. You know what I mean? The lighting isn't the best in here because I'm facing you towards the mirror, like so I can see what I'm doing. I currently am doing my makeup on my bedroom floor because, as you would already know, my filming room is currently not set up, which is what I'm bringing you along with me today. I honestly love being tanned. Like, I feel so much more like confident within myself, you know what I mean? And then I'm just going in with a bit of Essence Brow Stylist kit or set or whatever you want to call it. Just gonna run that through my brows. I just got my brows done and I love getting fresh brows. I just think brows just shape the face, and when you have a fresh set of brows, it just feels so much better. Then I'm just gonna put a bit of concealer under my eyes, down my nose. This is like the quickest version of me doing my makeup, honestly. Just extra coverage because I feel like I got extra bags underneath my eyes today. And then I'm just putting some translucent powder, like honestly all over my face. And then I'm just going in with the quick flick. And I'm just gonna do a quick wing liner because you know me by now, a bitch loves some winged eyeliner. And then once I've done my wings, I'm just going in with my MAC Gimme Sun just to add a bit of color on the face. Just go in with some MAC Global Glow. Stab same brush in and I just put it on the high points. Then I'm just gonna go in with some Australis Tint Me Brow, put those all over, run those through my brows. And then the finishing touch, I'm just going in with some liquid lipstick. This is one of my favorites. This is from MAC. This is Lookout. It's honestly bomb. It's so good. It's such a nice nude. It actually reminds me of one of, I think, Kylie Jenner's lip kits colors. I can't remember what they're called, maybe Malibu. I can't fully remember. Then just getting a bit of makeup setting spray. And boom, we are done. Okay, so makeup is done. I just did like a really quick job, but I feel like every time I vlog and talk to you guys, my makeup lately has never been done. So I just wanted to, you know, put a bit more of an effort in. And if you're wondering why I always stand around here, it's because I got a massive window in front of me and it's just the best lighting throughout the house. So yeah, but anyways, let's go along. Let's tackle this room, clean my filming / office room. I'll bring you guys along and yeah, let's get into it. Honey, what'd you say? You don't love me. What are you doing? You don't love me. I love you. Don't love me. Help me clean the room now. Time to help me clean the filming / office room. Say hi to the camera. Yo, what is up, you two? How you going? Ow! Stop. Ew, don't put your feet on me. Go away. All right. I'm going and you're helping me. Yeah, what is that? Oh my God. So, okay, so this door right here is my office / filming room. And when I open it, you guys, you are gonna see the biggest mess of your life. You're gonna be shocked. Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Boom. So it's currently filled with boxes. Literally my lighting, box, bin, more area. But yeah, so basically this is going to be my filming / vlogging, what am I saying? Filming / vlogging. Filming / office. It looks real messy. It looks kind of small, but it's actually a pretty good, decent size. I got a nice window here, nice, big and long. So yeah, it brings a lot of light into the room, even if it doesn't look like it right now. But yeah, so we're going to tackle this room. Also, this is my new desk that I bought for the room. It's nothing too massive or major, but I just needed it basically for when I'm filming. I can put stuff on the table. I can put my laptop and everything on there. And then that's my new office chair I bought. That's what it looks like there. It's so cute. I got it in white, so it matches everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this room. Okay, so sorry that my hair is looking a little wild at the moment. Literally just been building my chair and desk for the room. Because I have my periods, I have the worst stomach cramps and the worst back pains. Like, it's so bad. I'm gonna get lucky to go down to the shop and get me some Nurofen because it's just a freaking nightmare. But yeah, so come and have a look at what my desk and chair is currently looking like. Ready? I'll show you guys. Ready? So this is my cute little filming chair that I got, and this is my desk that I got for it. Obviously the chair's meant to be on this side, but yeah, so this is my desk and my filming chair. So exciting! I'm so happy. But now I have to tackle this room so I can actually put it in here. So now I've got to go through all these boxes and clean it right up. And I need to get my lighting all set up again. Don't know where my ring light is. I think it's like under that pillow over there. But yeah. Come on, honey. Alright, can you go shop and get me some Panadol Nurofen because I got sore back and tummy and I got my periods and I don't feel good. Come on! Honestly, oh look at that box. And if you can, you want to take that box down with you? Getting there. I've removed one box and some pillows. Bye babe, thank you. Thank you for being a good boyfriend.
Come and dance with me. The smartest thing you ever did was take a chance with me. Whatever tickles your fancy. So
and just that thank you. Oh, thank you, honey. See you soon. Bye, bitch. On my own. Don't feel good. Babe's getting me some Panadol. But yeah, room is getting done. Time to move another box. This is gonna seriously take me all freaking day. And I'm doing it while I feel like a piece of shit. But how cute is my desk today? I love it! Yes! I swear, every time I come on camera, I'm looking more and more of like a hot mess. My hair's getting fuzzy. You can tell that I've just been cleaning, running around, doing things, trying to get this room together. But so far, come with me. I will take you along to the room that is now a lot more cleaner than the before. Maybe I should have done like a before and after photo so you guys could like compare how much cleaner it's looking. It's still got a long way to go with like decoration wise, but clean wise and setting up wise, that's what I'm going to show you now. But this is not going to be like the final like look, if you know what I mean. I still got to like get things together and decorate it and stuff. But yeah, come along and I will show you guys what it's looking like. Okay, so last time I opened this door, it was a very big hot mess. And now, dun, 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 it's a lot cleaner. So basically I have my desk. I'm gonna get like 2 little stands in the corner that I can put up so I can put the plant up a bit higher, you know what I mean? I have my pillow, my chair, which is looking so nice and clean and white. But I thought like when I sit down on the chair, if I have that behind, it'll be like a nice little backdrop. My wall is just completely white, so when the lights hit it, it's gonna be very like white and bright, if you know what I mean. So it'll be really nice and clear. I've got my window, so then I have my ring light, and then I have my camera stand because I've lost all the things that sit here for when you're filming, because that's what normally where you'd put your camera. And then I have one of my bigger lights at the back here. I've got my little, this is actually not a rug, it's like a throw, but I thought it'd be like a nice little touch to the room, you know what I mean? I actually got this from one of my friends at work. She gave it to me, so thank you, Ellie. But yeah, so she's given me this, so I thought it was like a really nice touch with the room. The room's still got a long way to go, like I said. I just got like my little black bin here because when I'm filming I always need to chuck stuff in the bin, especially if I'm doing like unboxings, unwrapping and all that kind of stuff. And then behind my door I have my cupboard, which I'm going to put like all my stuff on. The open bit will be for like things, oh nearly dropped my camera. The open thing will be for like things that are on display, and then inside, when I open it, I gotta wipe that down, don't mind me. But yeah, then inside is where I'll just keep like makeup and, you know, storage and stuff like that. It's really good because I got my plug holes like right here, which is right next to all my lighting for when I obviously need them, which is good. And then I've got another stand here. I haven't put it up like that one. I'm just sitting it in the corner for now so it doesn't get in my way. But when I film, I will obviously bring it up to that height. So yeah, it's gonna be basically looking like this, which is pretty cool. And then that's my cupboard in the corner. So yeah, I'm really liking the way it's turned out so far. So when it's a bit more done up and I have like all my makeup set up on the table and stuff, not my makeup, but like, you know, like brushes and that, and then I can also put my computer here, which I should have done like as I was showing you guys. Hold on, I'm gonna go get my computer so I can show you guys what it will look like, because OCD right now, I feel like it needs something on that table. And you come in, that looks a lot better. It's actually got something there because the table was a bit bare. I haven't set my other stuff up on the table yet. But yeah, so basically I'll have my Mac laptop that I will have sitting there. I've got my headphones when I'm editing, so it's really good. It'll be like my own little space, especially for when I'm wanting to do, not filming, but work stuff. When I'm wanting to do, you know, go through my emails, go through, you know, my editing process, uploading, all that kind of stuff. Got my beats so I can be in my own little world. So yeah, it's gonna be really freaking cute. So after all that hard work, I decided to make myself a coffee. How cute is that? And I don't even have like a coffee machine. I literally just have like the normal kettle and stuff and a milk frother and stuff, and look how good it turns out. Like, you don't even need to spend all that expensive money on a bloody coffee machine. You can just get yourself one of those. And I've got some Beauties over there to help with my coffee. But I just wanted to show you guys because it literally actually turned out really well. Hey guys, welcome back. So basically this is like a week later from the last clip that you would have just seen in this video. Like, you can probably tell I've got different colored nails. But yeah, basically I forgot to film like an ending to this video, so I ended up filming other videos. Now at the beginning of this video that you've watched, you would have seen that I said I had some exciting news. Well, since it's been like a week or two, no, it's been like 2 weeks since that video, like that I'd filmed those clips, my news has already come out. I've already announced it on Instagram, so I thought it was only fair that I told you guys here on my YouTube channel that I now have a brand new freaking YouTube channel, and it's not just me in it, it's me and my boyfriend Lockie. So we started our own channel. It's a couples channel, and it's all to do with me, him, our life, vlogs, pranks, challenges, hauls, mukbangs, Q&As, you know, all the good shit. So if you want to see some really good and funny content coming up, then go ahead and give us a follow. Our account is just called blayze.ebert. I'll leave it in the description box below. Head over there, give us a subscribe, show us some love, and yeah, I can't wait until you see this video. Our first video is going out on the 7th of the 4th, which is Sunday the 7th of April. So yeah, I'm so freaking excited, and I'm so glad I could tell you guys. So yeah, but that's about it for this video. So if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to join my, oh god, sorry, my hand's in the way. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to join my little family here. And don't forget to head over to my new channel, subscribe over there, and join our little growing family that we're starting from scratch. So all your love and support is appreciated. And yeah, I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. And also, my Blayze Beauty channel isn't going anywhere. I'm going to be running this channel and the Blayze and Lockie channel. So head over to both and subscribe to both, so you're updated with both videos on every channel. All right, bye.